How to enable or disable the timeline audio in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your timeline is visible. Next, look at the left side of the timeline where you will see the track headers. Find the audio track you want to enable or disable. To disable the audio, simply click the M button on the audio track header. This mutes the audio track, letting you work without hearing the sound from that track. If you want to enable the audio again, just click the M button once more to unmute it. This will bring the audio back and you can hear it while playing the timeline. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable the timeline audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.